I just scratched my brand new 4Runner. I've only had it for like 2 months and I already scratched it. I pull in the driveway, in the garage. I'm sorry. I can't even talk right now. I'm so upset. I pulled in the garage. I get out of my car. It's a good day. All is well. I'm walking into my house. And then I had this box sitting here on this little entertainment center thing. You can see the marks where the boxes were. Of course, I moved them now. Hindsight's 2020, right? So I'm walking in, and before I even get to my door, out of nowhere, the box decides to jump off the shelf and fall, and it had a baseball bat in it. Where's this bat at? Where? Look at this. This right here. It's just hanging out, and this thing comes falling and goes beep, and does that to my car. Look at this. It's like, that sucker ain't coming off. What? What do I do? You can see that thing from like a mile away. I can't.